On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, it is about fetch, XML HTTP request in JavaScript. You can learn about how to use and the differences between the fetch API and XML HTTP request. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Fetch and XML HTTP request, XHR, in JavaScript are both used for sending HTTP requests and retrieving data from a server. The fetch API is a modern method for handling HTTP requests, designed as a successor to XHR. It is an asynchronous API based on promises, allowing for simpler and more flexible request handling. This code sends a GET request to the specified URL using the fetch API, processes the response as JSON, and displays the result or outputs an error. The fetch API has the following features. Promise-based. Asynchronous operations can be managed with promises, making the code cleaner and easier to read. Easy error handling. Errors can be easily handled using the catch block. Parsing with methods like response, JSON. Response data can be easily processed in JSON or text format. CORS support. Fetch operates based on cross-origin resource sharing, CORS, rules. Flexible request configuration. Not only GET, POST, but also HTTP methods like PUT and DELETE can be easily configured. This code sends a POST request containing JSON data and receives and displays the response from the server as JSON. The fetch API has the following disadvantages. Browser compatibility. Older browsers, especially IE 11, do not support the fetch API. Difficult to perform fine-grained control. Compared to XHR, it is not suitable for low-level controls like handling progress events. XML HTTP request is an API that has long been used to handle HTTP requests and has been widely used as the basis for AJAX, asynchronous JavaScript in XML. Enables asynchronous communication, allowing data to be retrieved from the server without reloading the entire page. This code sends a GET request using XML HTTP request, parses the received JSON response, and displays it. XML HTTP request has the following features. Callback-based. Callback functions such as onReadyStateChange are used to monitor the completion or progress of the request. Monitoring status codes and ready states. The request status can be checked using XHR, ReadyState, and XHR, status. Broad compatibility. Works even on older browsers. Monitor request progress. Progress can be monitored using events such as XHR upload on progress. This code sends a post request with JSON data using XML HTTP request, receives the response, and displays it. XML HTTP request has the following disadvantages. Code complexity. Managing asynchronous processing with callback functions tends to be complex. No native promise support. Since promises are not supported by default, asynchronous processing becomes somewhat verbose. The Fetch API provides simple and flexible HTTP requests based on promises and is recommended in modern browsers. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. I hope this video helps improve your programming life. By subscribing to the channel, we can deliver more useful information to you.